Alright guys, welcome back to Wednesday. Here's another directions video. This one's pretty cut and dry today. Um, as you can see, we have a bunch of things on the docket today for under this today's work tab. But that's okay, because two of them are yesterday's stuff, but remember you still have till Friday to turn those in. So that would be the reading guide and the vocab sheet. So these two are due on Friday. We started them yesterday, so you got a few days still to start kind of chipping those away. Now those are in the background. You can work on those when you have time or when you finish kind of more daily assignments. So let's take a look at what's actually going on today. First lecture and another video, obviously. So let's take a look here. The Mesopotamia PowerPoint is what you're going to be looking at today. For you online people, just kind of scroll through. We're going to go through number, I believe 28 was our number that we were stopping at today. Oh, actually, we're going to go a little bit further now that I look at it. We're going to go all the way to 34. So go through, read through it. If some of the stuff doesn't make sense to you, you may have to use, Google to figure it out, watch YouTube videos to figure it out. My big thing would be use the vocab sheet to help you out. Now with my PowerPoints, guys, let me scroll back up. I can kind of help you sift through some of the critical content here. So on every one of my PowerPoints, I'll have these learning targets set up for you. They're already embedded. Okay, so here's like the main goals we're trying to do when going through the PowerPoint. We'll talk about it a little bit in class, but a lot of it's more self-assessment. Are you doing it? Do you understand this? Can you do these targets? And so the symbol of a target will be there on the PowerPoint to help you out. Okay, so whenever you see the target, that means like this slide's important, the stuff on the slide's really important. So pay attention, jot it down when you're taking notes. Okay, so the target's big. The other big thing is vocab. Okay, and all these are going to eventually become test questions. So the vocab's really important. Obviously, you have the vocab sheet to help kind of you identify the important stuff. But on the slideshow, I also threw in this kind of vocabulary symbol, this picture. So on any slide you see the vocabulary picture or any slide you see the target, that's important information. You got to make sure you know that. All right, so for this slide, we got one of the targets. All right, and it's going to be describe the geography of Mesopotamia, and we get here, we can kind of figure it out. Okay, so just kind of go through that. Keep an eye out for the targets, and keep an eye out for the vocab symbol. All that stuff will be able to assist you later on. So yep, just scroll through it, take a look at it. This stuff today, not too challenging, I would say. Just kind of covering the basics of Mesopotamia. All right, guys, good luck going through the PowerPoint. If you got any questions, obviously email me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.